This just to help you guys understand what's in here. This is the left-hand side. Used a grinding wheel to cut through here with a cutoff disc in it. The pipe inside of here would have come all the way through and turned right here. You can see there's 4 holes right there. And I can take measurements if somebody wants them. Pipe would have continued on its turn through here. Again, another set of 4 holes right here. You can see that then passes through, goes up past the screen here. There's another one of these screens right about here, and empties into this chamber up here. Crossover tube links to the other side. There's the crossover tube here. Then the exhaust works its way back through the screens, at which point it then enters into that velocity stack down in the corner there. Kind of hard to see, but there's a velocity stack down in the corner back in there. That's connected to the actual exit of the exhaust. So the path is through here, through the tube. I believe there's holes in the tube in here. The tube empties into the inside portion here. The gas goes back through the screens and then down to the exit tube. So what I've done is basically created a large opening right here. Hopefully this will capture the gas at lower speeds and run it through the proper process. And I'm hoping it gets rid of any drone, but who knows? We'll find out. Should be interesting.